Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we'll be doing another Leetcode 551 student attendance record 1, an easy one. You are given a string as representing the attendance record for a student where each character signifies whether the student was absent, late, present or that day. The record only contains the following characters: A, L, P, A absent, L for late and P for present. The student eligible for the attendance award if they meet the both of the criterias. So the student must be absent fewer than 2 days, and the leave not the leave the if the student was never late for 3 or more consecutive days. Return true if the student is eligible for an attendance award, or the false otherwise. So here you can see the student does not have two absence, and does not have three, you can say, consecutive L's, which will be representing late. So the student second, not a student second, then in the example second you can see the student does have three consecutive late, so will be just returning false in that case. So we'll be having an absent counter and the late counter, which will be starting from 0. So so every character in S, if X is equal to absent, then we are obviously going to increase our absent counter by 1, and an absent can break the streak of consecutive lates. So the late can be, you can say, if there was two prior absents, two prior lates to an absent, then it is going to be resetted to 0. So in the if the x is equal to the L itself, then we are going to increment our late. And in the else condition, if this is the present, then the present is only going to affect the late itself, just like the absent date. Like if you have a two prior, you can say, lates, then they are going to be resetted. So if now the absent is greater than 1, or if one of them, a student have to, you can say, for being eligible, pass the both the criteria. So that's why we are using an or. And now we will see that if the student has more than two lates, then we are just going to return false. And after coming out of the loop, then we can just return true in that case. So that's it.